Have you been looking for a home that's better than new construction with unobstructed views of the mountain and a perfect layout? Welcome to 5250 River Crossing Avenue in Mills, Wyoming. I'm Blake Hansen.
And I'm Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team. This home has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, an unfinished basement, and a triple car garage. And let's go take a look.
When you first walk into the house, you can tell that this home has been well taken care of. You're greeted by a large entryway, an open floor layout, and luxury vinyl planking throughout.
One of my favorite things about this layout is everyone can be together. Whether you're cooking, watching football, doing homework at the table, you're all hanging out together. Right out the kitchen is a pantry, and it is more like a showpiece, and it's functional with new lighting, new cabinetry, and a butcher block countertop.
In the kitchen, you have granite countertops, two-tone cabinets, and everybody wants a gas range. This one has it. The stairs were recently redone with hardwood stair treads, leading upstairs to the 4 bedrooms and the newly finished little library.
And just how cute is this reading nook? Do any of you have bookshelves throughout your house? I'd love to hear what you use in the comments below. And of course, the laundry room is up where all the bedrooms are. Again, the perfect layout.
As you walk into the primary bedroom, you'll find tons of natural light, great size, and a walk-in closet.
And a Home Alone house.
Attached to the primary bedroom is a large ensuite with double sinks, a linen closet.
There is a brand new fancy glass shower door. 3 additional bedrooms. Again, they're light and bright and are a great size. From the 2 front bedrooms of the house, you can see absolutely stunning views of the mountain.
Here's a couple more things we want to tell you about the house. It's landscaped front and back, has automatic sprinklers in the front and back, and a fully fenced yard.
Downstairs, there's an unfinished basement. There's a stub out for an additional bathroom, and there's plenty of room for an additional living space and a bedroom.
Call me to see this house today.
Remember, we want you to live where you live. See you soon.
Right?
I'm Blake.
I'm Blake Hansen.
Ugh. Don't say that.
And a triple car. Yeah, maybe. Actually, just do the whole thing over. Sorry, Rosie. So stay down there for a sec. Blake, you come at the top and say that there's...
Just gonna restart
Yeah.
that. What am I saying?
You got all that, Rosie?